Elon Musk never ceases to excite the public with utopian arguments about a bright future and a society of abundance without poverty, into which anthropomorphic robots will lead humanity. We will focus on developments from this area, which will be remembered in 2022 below. We will also ask experts about the problems and prospects of the market. Let's start with the brainchild of Tesla, whose head is the above-mentioned Elon Musk. To substantiate his forecasts, on the night of September 30th to October 1st of this year, the American billionaire held a night presentation of Tesla AI Day 2022, where he presented two working prototypes of the humanoid robot Optimus, conditionally belonging to different generations. When these humanoids enter the series, this is about the end of the current decade. Then, according to Musk, they will be produced in millions of copies at a price of $20,000. The first prototype that participated in the presentation is devoid of external body panels. At the event, this robot demonstrated its ability to move independently on two legs around the stage and wave its arms to the beat of the music. The second prototype presented to the public was delivered to the stage using a trolley, since this robot is not yet ready to walk by itself. On stage, the car could do nothing but wave to the crowd. But the second android differs from its brother in a more presentable appearance and the presence of hands that resemble human proportions. Tesla promises to refine the robot so that it has hands with 27 degrees of freedom and a body with 28 degrees against more than 200 in humans. The developers will also have to improve the manipulators so that the robot can perform tasks that replace a person in various fields of activity. So, in the demonstrated video, a first-generation humanoid watered flowers in the office, carried boxes and lifted metal bars at Tesla's California electric vehicle manufacturing facility. However, to prevent the robot from falling, they have not yet decided to release it from the safety rope visible behind its back. Along with the variety of functions performed, Tesla engineers must also create a battery that fits into the robot's body, which will allow the car to work without recharging all day. Moreover, the desired mass of the robot should not exceed 73 kg. Also, from the already known details, the robot will be controlled via Wi-Fi or LTE, and smart electronics used in Tesla electric cars are planned inside the humanoid as an onboard computer. And if Tesla's steps in creating humanoid robots may seem uncertain, then this cannot be said about Xiaomi's latest developments. Confirmation of this is the presentation of new products of the Chinese company, the highlight of which was Cyberone, held in Beijing on August 11. This anthropomorphic robot, with a height of 177 km and a weight of 52 kg, is ready to move on two legs at a speed of 3.6 km. Other Cyberone skills include the ability to recognize 85 different types of ambient sounds and 45 basic human emotions. Also, the humanoid is ready to carry small objects, holding a load weighing up to 1.5 kg in one limb. It is not a problem for Cyberone to stand in one of the main kung fu stands or give flowers, which the robot did at its presentation. To orient the robot in space, understand human emotions and support conversations on various topics, Xiaomi has provided the humanoid with a variety of sensors, cameras, and microphones. The Chinese made the face of the robot from a flexible old panel and provided 13 hinges with a 21st degree of freedom in the limbs. Alas, Cyberone will not appear on the market because then, according to Xiaomi Qiuli, June, a humanoid would cost about $90,000. However, fans should not be upset But it is better to be patient because the Chinese manufacturer promises to create much more budget analogs based on Cyberome. 6 key emotions can be read on the robot's face. From joy, sadness, and fear to anger, surprise, and disgust. Emotions appear due to the movement of artificial muscles, which are controlled by 29 pneumatic actuators that work silently and smoothly due to air pressure. 6 more drives set the head and eyeballs in motion. The tests carried out showed that the android's facial expressions are similar to human ones, and people recognize the emotions described above on the robot's face. However, this happens with different accuracy due to the silicone skin of the humanoid, which is less elastic than human skin and forms wrinkles worse. As a result, the identification of emotions like disgust was more difficult because there were no actions for wrinkling the nose. While Nikolai is without a body, but the ultimate goal of the Riken project is to create a full-fledged android to help psychologists and lonely people. The Perm company Promobot, which created a humanoid robot Alex, has moved further than the head. The presentation of this development took place within the framework of the V Eastern Economic Forum, held in Vladivostok from September 5 to September 5 to September 8. According to the developers, Alex, created in 4 months, is able to gesture and interact with the audience, including on command from outside. For this purpose, the robot, on the one hand, is equipped with 8 motors on each arm, allowing the humanoid to shake hands, indicate the direction, and carry loads up to 2 key. On the other hand, being an updated version of Robo-C, Alex, like his predecessors, is ready to answer questions and maintain a conversation, copying human emotions and moving eyebrows, eyes, lips, and other muscles. In total, according to the developers, the applied technologies allow the android to realistically reproduce over 600 variants of human micromimics. In the future, the guys from Perm plan to teach their offspring to draw and write in different languages, as well as make Alex's legs. Note that Alex is not the first and not the only development of the Euro company. The Promobot team is already known for another anthropomorphic creation, the supermodel robot Dunyasha. However, unlike its prototype, which was Mrs. Perm 2014, Diana Gabdalina Dunyasha is not intended for beauty contests and catwalks, but for customer service at the checkout. Memorable appearance, humanoid facial expressions, willingness to build dialogues with customers, and possession of the profession of the salesman. Cashier literally on automatism made Dunyasha one of the most discussed persons of the St. Petersburg Economic Forum this year.
Thanks for watching. Put likes and subscribe to the channel.